Let us start this occasion with an invocation instrumental prayer by Kumari Vidushi Rakshita Ramesh. She is a recipient of CCRT scholarship for Veena since 2012 and has won several prizes in concert competition. A very big round of applause to her. Now, our little Aditi Anthony from third year welcomes you all. Very big round of applause to our Aditi Anthony.
A very good evening to one and all. On behalf of whole team of A Montessori, I, Aditi Anthony, take a pleasure to welcome you all. I heartily welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Principal, parents, teachers and my dear friends. So without wasting much time, let's run for the various events. I hope you all enjoy the evening as me and my friends spread the magic by our performances. I once again welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditi. Invoke the Almighty with our second year children who are chanting a shloka on Lord Ganesha. Please welcome Ishita, Pranavi, Pranika, Kanishk, Srinidhi, Milana, Anvita, Avni, Nivedita, Ishan and Nandita on stage with a very huge round of applause.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati, Pita Mahadeva.
I now request our principal, Mrs. Sunita Giridhar, to escort our chief guests onto the stage. I request Rakshita Ramesh to also join us on the stage. We feel honored to have with us the Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency, Mr. Anant Padmanabha. Mr. Anant Padmanabha is a person with 20 years of progressive experience in the field of education and augmented by a strong background in human resources and business administration. Mr. Anant Padmanabha started his career at SKF Bearings in 1987. Then he set up a small-scale industry, Pratibha Industries, in 1993, which bagged the Best Small-Scale Industry Award from the Ministry of Defence for its contribution to the indigenization program. Parallel to his profession in the industry, Mr. Anant Padmanabha has interest in spirituality. This brought him in contact with Rishi Samskriti Vidya Kendra. He became the founder trustee of Rishi Gurukulam, a CBSE residential school. He is a yoga teacher and conducted several classes. He was also in charge of the infant education program dedicated to children 0 to 3 years of age for nearly 7 years. We welcome you, sir. He is also accompanied by his wife, Mrs. Chitra Anant, who is a trained Montessorian and now the pillar of Prerna Montessori. We welcome you, ma'am. We request you to please receive a small token of gratitude. We also request Vidushi Rakshita to also receive the small token of gratitude from us. And now, a businessman by profession, equipped with a bachelor degree in commerce, he is a man on whose philosophy and belief A Montessori abides, exhibiting a combination of inner harmony, concern for others, and a deep connection to a higher order. None other than Mr. Giridhar, who is now a pillar of enthusiastic strength, support at A Montessori in providing children an enlightened learning environment. We welcome you, sir. She is multifaceted. She inspires every child to connect to knowledge and skills. She fosters work in the classroom by presenting a wide range of stories and lessons. She is a beacon of calm in a swirl of activity and the deep bond she creates between herself and the child, cultivated over a period of 17 years of experience, being the root of her deep understanding of the psychological workings of the child's mind. With due respect and a bundle of love, we all at AIM call her Sunita Auntie. An expertise in her chosen area, and with a master's degree in sociology, a diploma in the pre-primary Montessori education from the Indian Montessori training courses, and a diploma in elementary Montessori education from IMS to add to it. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am.
Now, we will have a traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, by our honorable chief guest, His Highness Mr. Ananta Padmanabha, Kumari Virakshita Ramesh, Mr. and Mrs. Giridhar. I request Mrs. Sunitha Giridhar to escort our chief guest for lighting of the lamp. Mother, we pray for your blessings with all humility. Give us wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to call upon our honorable chief guest, His Highness Mr. Ananta Padmanabha, sir, to share a few words with us. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Namaste. I don't know, I have a very nice background going on, background music. I think with due respect to what Aditi Antony said, invited me, I need to do a couple of things formally. First of all, congratulating Sunita, Girish and her entire team for coming back once again. Almost since 2 decades I'm in touch with Sunita. I have seen her at different spheres, in different spheres. She's an amazing lady with great determination, great perseverance, and every time she's thrown a challenge, I have seen the way she comes up back strongly to say, I'm here and I will pursue my vision for the children. So I know first year is a very, very special and very dear and very close to one, and this being the first anniversary, I wish the entire family, along with the staff of AIM Montessori, a great success, and also let them celebrate 10 years, 20 years, 25 years, 50 years, and maybe 100 years. I don't know, will I be there to come there for the function, but I wish them to have those great years ahead. Okay, so having said that, now today program is dedicated for children and parents. I know children are already sending the message that yes, I need to leave the space for them. And I'm sure parents are also waiting eagerly to see them performing. So I wish you all the best. Have a great time with your children. But I have a lot of things to share about what I have discovered about child. But I request Sunita to give me some time to spend time with you. I'll come to AIM Montessori, right? And I'll share my knowledge and my experience with you. So with this, thank you very much for patiently listening.
Let us move on to the Sports Day prize distribution. I would request Mr. Ananta Padmanabha, sir, to give away the prizes for our toddlers. Running race, first prize, Vivan A. Dutt. A very big round of applause to him. Second prize, Revan Tirunagiri. Please welcome him on stage with a huge round of applause. Third prize, Varunita BS. Please welcome Varunita on stage with a huge round of applause. The next event was picking up objects. First prize, Vivan A. Dutt. Please welcome Vivan on stage with a huge round of applause. Second prize, Ronit BL. Please welcome Ronit on stage with a huge round of applause. Third prize, Vijay Karthik RJ. Please welcome Vijay Karthik on stage with a huge round of applause. Now for the first year children, category running race. First prize, Malik Goenka. Second prize, Jasmita Shri R. Please welcome Jasmita on stage with a huge round of applause. Third prize, Anjali Anthony. Please welcome Anjali on stage with a huge round of applause. Next event is frog race. First prize, Saud Ishaq Sheikh Mohammed. Please welcome Saud on stage with a very big round of applause. Second prize, Anjali Anthony. Please welcome Anjali on stage with a very big round of applause. Please welcome Satvik on stage with a very big round of applause. Next event was for picking up objects. First prize goes to Jasmita Shri R. Please welcome Jasmita on stage with a very big round of applause. Second prize goes to Anjali Anthony. Please welcome Anjali on stage. Third prize goes to Satvik S. Please welcome Satvik on stage with a very huge round of applause. Category running race. First prize, Pranika Mahalwala. Please welcome Pranika on stage with a huge round of applause. Second prize goes to Upuluri Ishita. Please welcome Ishita on stage with a very big round of applause. Third prize goes to Kanish Mandana. Please welcome Kanish with a huge round of applause. Second category is picking up objects. First prize goes to Pranika Mahalwala. Please welcome Pranika on stage with a huge round of applause. Second prize goes to Milana D. Please welcome Milana on stage with a very big round of applause. Third prize goes to Anvita Sai. Please welcome Anvita Sai on stage with a huge round of applause. Next category is getting ready to school. First prize goes to Upuluri Ishita. Please welcome Ishita on stage with a very big round of applause. Second prize goes to Kanishk Mandana. A very big round of applause to Kanishk. Third prize goes to Nivedita CS. A very big round of applause to Nivedita. I would request Mr. and Mrs. Giridhar to give away the prizes for our third years. First event was balancing books race. First prize goes to Sahiti BK. Please welcome Sahiti on stage with a very big round of applause. Second prize goes to Mukesh S. A very big round of applause to Mukesh. Third prize goes to Srinita MV. Welcome Srinita on stage with a very huge round of applause. The second category was running race. The first prize goes to Mukesh S. Welcome Mukesh on stage with a very huge round of applause. The second prize goes to Jairaj Amar Powar. Please welcome Jairaj on stage with a very big round of applause. Third prize goes to Srinita MV. A very big round of applause to Srinita. The next category was lemon and spoon. First prize goes to Sahiti BK. Please welcome Sahiti on stage with a very big round of applause. The second prize goes to Mukesh S. A very big round of applause to Mukesh. Third prize goes to Aditi Anthony. A very big round of applause to Aditi. The next category was frog race. First prize goes to Jairaj Amar Powar. Please welcome Jairaj on stage with a very big round of applause. The second prize goes to Sahiti BK. The third prize goes to Drupad A. Please welcome Drupad on stage with a very big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would request to call upon our respected principal, a navigator of this flagship of knowledge, Mrs. Sunitha Giridhar, to present a brief agenda and give the school presentation.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to the first annual day of AIM Montessori here at JSS Auditorium. Present the annual report of AIM Montessori 2016-17, documenting our developments and achievements. The academic session 2016 and 17 was marked with many events and success stories. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Almighty Lord to His abundant blessings and guidance. This can be attributed to the dedication and the team spirit of the members of management, parents, children, and our well-wishers. It has been just a few days over a year since AIM Montessori has started, and AIM is to its full capacity and will be extending another environment for 2017 batch. I owe a debt of gratitude to my family for all the support and my gurus, Mr. Anant Padmanabh, Mrs. Meenakshi Shivaramakrishnan, Mrs. Nandini and Mr. Rajendra Gupta for me to gain rich knowledge about the child in Montessori. And I take this opportunity to sincerely thank Mrs. Vedavali, Mrs. Amita Prashant and Mrs. Kavita Krishna Gowda for giving me an opportunity to work for them. In turn, I gained a rich experience of working with children, and today I am here at my dream come true House of Children, the AIM Montessori. My first wonderful year of working at AIM Montessori has been amazing. Among many activities, I have had the pleasure of spending more time in all areas, discovering many ways our AIM Montessori teachers make each day special for children. We instill a joy of learning, building self-confidence, independence, and ability to collaborate and help children develop the skills they will need to be successful in a world that is ever-changing. We incorporated new materials, new activities, and updated books to ensure that we don't compromise of the quality of education imparted. As we share the yearly updates of our activities, we take modesty to say that we did more than what we planned and for which we are proud of our children and teachers who strive hard to achieve beyond expectations. We thank Future of Flair with Printing Solutions, Talkative Parents for the school software that has largely enabled for the smooth communication among the parents and the school. We also thank our media partner, Mr. Saideep, for capturing the growing moments of our children through the year, and Mr. Prashant for the entire coverage of the annual day events. We express our sincere thanks and heartfelt gratitude to all our children, parents, and well-wishers, and members of management of our school. Your partnership in promoting and securing the strategic directions of AIM Montessori is critical to our ongoing success, without whose help we would have not been in a position to maintain high standards of education at AIM Montessori. We take this opportunity to commit ourselves to do best to serve this locality through quality education. We seek the blessings from the God Almighty to help and guide us in future in the right directions. Thank you all and best wishes.
We worry about what a child will become tomorrow, yet we forget that he is someone today. As parents and teachers, we do put a lot of time and energy into preparing our children for their future, and rightly so. We do indeed need to equip our children with lifelong skills to prepare them for adulthood, for it is on them that the future will have to depend. Today, we pay a tribute to the young ladies and gentlemen of tomorrow. We know that they have started their remarkable journey towards achieving this goal. This year has seen them grow and develop exponentially. They have learned so much. They have remained eager and enthusiastic, and they have grown in so many ways. Our thanks and appreciation to all the teachers and the parents for the fantastic role that you have played to facilitate this process. Girls and boys, we are very proud of you. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Now, shall we all look back and welcome our third year graduating children onto the stage with a huge, huge round of applause, please.
You taught us to read and write. You taught us to learn. You told us it'd be alright and how to take a turn. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you have done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you have done. You help us to start our shoes. learn shapes and colors too. There's so many things you do. We just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you have done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you have done.
Thank you, children. I request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Anantha Padmanabha sir, to give away the graduation moment to our third year children. Abhisar Prasad. He is a quiet child who was once very reluctant to accept the environment. Today, he has taken the Montessori environment very positively and has shown very good improvement in his communication. He socializes with everyone and puts lot of effort in his activities. Thank you, Abhisar. Aditi Anthony. She is an independent child who has very good leadership skills. She readily grasps new things and socializes with everyone. She is a self-confident child who is very caring and courageous. Thank you, Aditi. Drupad A. He is a happy child as long as he is led to do the things by himself. He socializes with everyone and is also a very caring child. He has a very cool attitude with a very non-offensive behavior. Thank you, Drupad. Jairaj Amar Powar. He is a silent and obedient child who is very selective while making friends. Coming from a conventional school, he has transformed very well in the Montessori environment. He enjoys dancing and most expressive among the entire team. Thank you, Jairaj. Mukesh S. Mukesh S. He's a very soft-spoken child and a very happy child who is also very talented and self-confident with a very remarkable memory. Thank you, Mukesh. Sahiti BK. She's an outspoken child with a very good leadership qualities, a very good story narrator, has excellent socializing skills and a quick learner too. Thank you, Sahiti. Samanvita. She's a hard-working child who puts lot of effort in learning new things. She's a friendly, outspoken and a cool child who socializes with all. She has the maturity to accept the people the way they are and move along very beautifully. Thank you, Samanvita. Srinita MV. She's a very shy child with always a smile on her face. She's a soft-spoken and intelligent child, very expressive in her dance movements. She loves numbers and a very good story narrator. Thank you, Srinita. Our outgoing graduates will be a part of the society tomorrow, and they are going to contribute for our nation. So we are all going to sing our national anthem, and I request all the audience to please join us.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पञ्जाब सिन्ध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधि तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Taking much of your time, let us start the program. Does all of you feel some kind of turbulence here? Yeah. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, song, lights and joy. Well, here you are. Today we have rainbow of cultural programs prepared under the stewardship of our mentors. Does anyone of you liked history in school? So I'm going to promise you that at the end of the day, you will find the history more interesting. Do you all want to know how? Because our children are going to perform today based on the theme Indian history. So you're all going to clap your hands, tap your feet for the songs from the films based on Indian history. Our children are really going to rock the show. Are you all ready?
Best Tales of Tenali Rama is about 3 dolls in the kingdom of great King Krishna Devaraya had a lot of Westminster in his court. One day, a merchant came to the king's court from a foreign kingdom to know how Westminster were. When they were put forth for a test, finally the explanation given by Tenali Rama keeps one enlightened. Now watch as the story unfolds.
राजाधिराज राजमार्तांड कर्नाटकांध्र उत्तर विजिगीश महीश दूर रायरगंड आंध्र भोज चरणचारण चक्रवर्ती राजा कवींद्र श्री कृष्ण देवराय बहुबरा.
Welcome you to the court of our kingdom and happy to receive you. Thank you, Your Majesty. I have heard from many people that you have very wise ministers in your court, but with your permission, I would like to test the wisdom of your ministers. Of course, I am proud of my wise ministers of my court, and there is no one who can outreach them. Yet I am a little curious as how you are going to test them. I gave you 3 dolls. Though 3 dolls look similar, if your ministers can find out the difference, I will vote their wisdoms. But if they can't, I will assume that there is no wise ministers in your court. I will be back in 3 days for the answer. I order all the ministers to find out the difference among these 3 dolls. After 3 days at the court of Krishna Devaraya, I have scrutinized all the 3 dolls, and I declared that they are all identical. My lord, there is no difference at all. All the 3 dolls are the same. Your Majesty, I use magnifying glass to inspect each and every part of the dolls from past 3 days. Yet I did not find any difference at all. I think this is trick played on us. Your Majesty, I am sure Matchar is taking you all right. I have taken a keen look at the three dolls and I see no difference at all. What about your answer for this, Tenali? These three dolls are different because one of them is good, one of them is medium, and one is bad. Which one is which? Which one is which? My lord, after looking at the dolls for 3 days, I observed a hole in their ears and I put a wire in their ears out of curiosity. In the first doll, the wire went through the ears and came out through the mouth. So this doll is bad as it represents people who cannot keep secret. The second doll, the wire went through the ears and came out through the another ear. So this doll is medium as it represents harmless people who cannot understand what they said to them. In the third doll, the wire went through the ears and go to the heart. It did not come out as it represents people who can keep secret in their heart. From this we understand there are 3 kinds of people in this world. Tenali, you are a genius. You proved yourself yet again and saved the pride of our kingdom. Friends, therefore, to be trustworthy, one has to know when to remain in silence and when to speak out loud.
The children who performed on stage today are Aditi Anthony, Drupad, Abhisar Prasad, Mukesh S, Sahiti, Samanvita, Srinita MV, Ishan Dhanakoti, Milana, Nandita, Avni, Anvita, Ishita, Pranavi and Srinidhi. A very big round of applause to all of them. It was indeed a very lovely performance. Montessori environment, the child learns lot more in geography in the Montessori way. So here we have Sahiti, Mukesh and Samanvita who will be demonstrating to us how a geography sessions are learnt in the Montessori environment. So let's see how our children are going to explain us about the formation of universe. Please welcome Sahiti, Mukesh and Samanvita on stage with a very huge round of applause.
My name is Sahiti. My name is Samanvita. My name is Mukesh. I am going to show you how my auntie at A. Montessori tells us the story about Big Bang. Will you guys join me for the story time where we have to travel long time behind? Yes. Look around you and tell me what you can see around your world. Trees, plants, rivers, animals, sky, clouds, buildings, birds, land and etc. What about beyond the sky? Sun, clouds. We call it space. We will be traveling into the space. Okay. Yes, we'll be learning beyond Earth where there is whole big universe out there full of clouds, dust, stars and also very beautiful. Can you see anything more? Trees, plants, rivers, animals, sky, clouds, buildings. But you know what? Millions of years ago, in this space there was nothing but darkness. What do you remember? When you think of darkness, we think of night. But at night would be much brighter compared to the darkness in this space many years ago. When we think of cold, we think of ice. But ice is positively not so very cold if we compare to the coldness in this space. Measureless world of cold and darkness, there was a big ball of energy which was very hot, hotter than our sun, and this big lump of energy contained sun, moon, planets and so many stars. One day, this big lump of energy exploded in a giant free blast that lit entire universe from one end to another. And this blast, scientists call it as the Big Bang.
Unity in diversity is the oneness in differences. Our country, India, proves the concept of unity in diversity better as the people of different religions, creeds, castes, languages, cultures, lifestyle, dressing sense, etc. live together with harmony under one roof, means one land of India. Today, our children are going to sizzle on stage, showcasing different states of India. Please welcome all of them with a very huge round of applause. Shri Hari and Snigdha, representing Jammu and Kashmir. Daksh and Samved, representing Punjab. Vishnu, representing West Bengal. Arush and Prashvita, representing Maharashtra. Raghav, representing Kerala. Satvik and Bharat, representing Karnataka. Wow, how captivating. A very big round of applause to all the kids here. Shri Hari and Snigdha, representing Jammu and Kashmir. Daksh and Samved, representing Punjab. Vishnu, representing West Bengal. Arush and Prashvita, representing Maharashtra. Raghav, representing Kerala. Satvik and Bharat, representing Karnataka. Thank you, Tiny Tots and their parents, for a wonderful show. One of the oldest questions for mankind is how the earth was formed. Our third year children are going to tell us a story on formation of earth. Please welcome Mukesh S., Jairaj, Drupad, Samanvita, Aditi, Sahiti and Shrinita on stage with a very huge round of applause.
After the Big Bang, our planet, the Earth was one among the scattered energy in the solar system. The two was so hot, it was made up of whirling gases. As the spun in space, it began to cool quickly and formed the core mantle crust. But inside the earth was still very hot and boiling, and at different places of earth. Where it was weak, it burst out. And when the hot particles finished their explosion in the form of volcano, which led to the formation of clouds and gave heavy rainfall, and that started cooling. It rained for more than hundreds and hundreds of years. What became winter as it would a tall apple. Wrinkle became mountain, and hollows became, and rings and pearls, and rivers and ponds. It had rained for millions of years, and finally the clouds disappeared, and the sun appeared. Everything was so very beautiful, and the life was ready to begin.
It was indeed a very great explanation. Thank you, children. A very big round of applause to all of them. As we have promised you, we are going to make the journey of Indian history to be very interesting. So please keep watching the breathtaking performances of all our kids. Akbar the Great was the third Mughal emperor and is considered to be one of the greatest rulers of India. Our toddlers are going to perform for the song Azimo Shan Shehenshah from the movie Jodha Akbar. Please welcome Pragalba, Satvik, Surabhi, Havya, Ashrita, Vihan, Rohan, Ahana, Sridhanvi, Revant, Hema, Kritik and Saisha on stage with a very huge round of applause. Wow, what a marvelous performance. A very big round of applause to all the tiny tots. Now, our first year children are going to recite an English rhyme for us. Please welcome Manya, Anjali Anthony, Satvika, Sriniha, Siram Navyashri, Swara, and Kashvi Bhargav on stage with a very huge round of applause.
Round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus goes round and round. bus goes pom 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 all through the town. Once the bus goes swish swish swish, swish swish swish, swish swish swish. The white bus on the bus goes swish 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 all through the town. Doors of the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors of the bus goes open and shut all through the town. The conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 ticket. The conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 all through the town. The bus goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The people in the bus says up and down, all through the town. The people in the bus says wah wah wah, wah wah wah, wah wah wah. The babies in the bus says wah wah wah, all through the town. Mamas in the bus says shh 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 shh. Mamas in the bus says shh shh shh, all through the town. Children in the bus says bye bye bye, bye bye bye, bye bye bye. The children in the bus says bye bye bye, all through the town.
Thank you, children. A very big round of applause to all of them. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music and joy. Well, here you are. Jai Ho, meant to create a vision of the whole world celebrating the victory. Our tiny toddlers are going to rock the stage for the song Jai Ho from the movie Slumdog Millionaire. So audience, please be ready to clap your hands, tap your feet and say Jai Ho. Please welcome Vivan, Lakshana, Aryadesh, Bhavish, Varunita, Yashmit, Ashwik, Avni, Mayank, Siddharth, Adya, Tanisha, Ishita and Vijay Karthik onto the stage with a very huge round of applause.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। जय हो, जय हो, आजा आजा जिंदे शामी यानी के तले आजा
हरी बारी नीले आसमां के तले जय हो शब्द गाँव में दिल हाले दिल रेखो दिल
Wow, what a mesmerizing performance. A very big round of applause to all the kids. Now, our second year children are going to recite us a Kannada rhyme. Please welcome Anvita, Pranavi, Srinidhi, Milana, Nivedita, Nandita, Avni and Kanishk on stage with a very huge round of applause.
ಅಷ್ಟೇತಾ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟೇತಾ ನಾನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಷ್ಟೇತಾ ಯಾಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಜಡಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಯಾಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಸೀರೆ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂಗಿ ಚಡ್ಡಿ ಯಾಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಪ್ಪನಿಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓದುವರ ಯಾಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
Thank you, children. A very big round of applause to all of them. Emperor Ashoka the Great lived from 304 to 232 BCE and was the third ruler of the Indian Mauryan Empire, the largest ever in the Indian subcontinent and one of the world's largest empire at its time. He ruled from 268 BCE to 232 BCE and became a model of kingship in the Buddhist tradition. He built 19 pillars in northern India. Among them, one pillar of Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh has been adopted as national emblem of India. Our first year children are going to perform for the song Chakravartin Ashok Samrat. Please welcome Hasini, Adya, Kashvi, Sriniha, Satvik, Lirisha, Arnav, Shresht, Aprameya, Rachit, Satvika and Saud onto the stage with a very huge round of applause.
देवनाम प्रिय देवों का प्रिय देवनाम प्रिय देवों सा प्रिय वो कहलाए शूरवीर बलवान दयामय प्रजापाल रक्षक करुणामय वो कहलाए है महान जन जन समदर्शी चक्रवर्ती राजा प्रियदर्शी वो कहलाए
What a fantabulous performance. Thank you, children. Now, our second and third year children are going to recite a Hindi rhyme for us. Please welcome Nalin, Dikshita, Kanesh, Abhisar Prasad, Pranika, Anvita, Saud, and Shashti.
मैं भी आऊँ बनना चलेगा दो भी आया कपरेसा कितने का पिलाया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 बस।
Bharat ka veer putra Pratap Singh, the great Rajput, popularly known as Maharana Pratap, was the ruler of Mewar, a region in northwestern India in the present state of Rajasthan. Our second year children are going to perform for the song Jiski Jai Jaikar Pratap Hai. Please welcome Ishita, Pranavi, Pranika, Kanishk, Srinidhi, Milana, Anvita, Avni, Nivedita, Nandita, and Ishan Dhanakoti on the stage with a huge round of applause.
सख्त है तू ढाल सा भारत कहे वीर सा मेरा पुत्र प्रताप है अखंड तू सूर्य सा भी ताप है मातृभूमि गर्व करे मेरा पुत्र प्रताप है चढ़ा रक्त का टीका है मिट्टी को माये मारे देशभक्ति का मोल है जो मेवाड़ी राणा जाने सुन साहस इस पूत का देश का कण कण है ये जय 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 जिसकी जयकार प्रताप है एक लिंग का कहे जिसे अवतार प्रताप है वीरों के साहस की जो हुंकार प्रताप है जय 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 जिसकी जयकार प्रताप है तलवारों की धार सजे खन खन सी खनकार उठे तलवारों की धार सजे खन खन सी खनकार उठे मस्तक पर तिलक चढ़े क्षत्रिय युद्ध को सहज बढ़े रक्त बहे तो शान है भूमि के अभिमान है ऐसी ये संतान है शीश कटे तो मान है रहे लाज मर्यादा है इनकी तो यही वाणी युद्ध भूमि में हर संभव क्षत्रियता उनको निभानी हर उल्लास और युद्ध उमंग शत्रु इनसे घबराए बढ़े चले ये वीर इन्हें अब कोई न रोक सके शत्रु हुंकारों की वाणी इनके कदमों से दबे एक इनका साहस और मात्र प्रेम शत्रु है सके बढ़े चले ये वीर इन्हें अब कोई न रोक सके
Wow, incredible. The young dancers really held everyone captive. We all have grown up on stories narrated to us by our grandparents, parents, and other elders in the family. They were the good old days when we would lie beside our ajis, nanis, and dadis as they took us on fantasy journeys with their tales. The wit of Birbal, the righteousness of the Pandavas, the stories of Vikram Betal, and so on. Those were the stories that helped us learn more important lessons of our life. They taught us good and bad and also had a hand in making us what we are as grown-ups. However, now, with technology invading our lives like never before, nuclear families and working parents overpowering the social setup, the art of storytelling is slowly fading away. Storytelling introduces new vocabulary to children, enhances listening skills, improves the interaction and imagination of a child, helps being in touch with the cultural roots. It's a great activity of learning and can encourage the development of emotions and feelings of a child. Today, our third year child, Srinitha MV, is going to narrate us a Kannada story. Please welcome Srinitha on stage with a very huge round of applause.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀನಿತಾ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ನೀತಿ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಟೋಪಿ ಮಾರುವವ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋತಿಗಳು. ಜಾಣ ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೋಪಿ ಮಾರುವವ. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಅವನು ಟೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರಲು ಹೊರಟನು. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ದಣಿವಾಯಿತು. ಅವನು ಟೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರೆಯನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿದನು. ಅವನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದ ಕೋತಿಗಳು ಟೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ತಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡವು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ನಂತರ ಟೋಪಿ ಮಾರುವವ ಕೋತಿಗಳು ಟೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದನು. ಆಗ ಅವನು ಕೂಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ, ಹೇ, ಅವು ನನ್ನ ಟೋಪಿಗಳು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕೋತಿಗಳು ಅವನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕೇಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದವು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಾಯ ಹೊಳೆಯಿತು. ಅವನ ತಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದ ಟೋಪಿಯನ್ನು ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದನು. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋತಿಗಳು ಟೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟನು. ನೀತಿ: ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, Srinitha. That was very, very beautiful.
Shahid Bhagat Singh was an Indian revolutionary socialist who was influential in the Indian independence movement. He was from Punjab. Now hold your breath for another rocking performance from our first year children for the song Pagdi Sambal Jatta from the movie The Legend of Bhagat Singh. Please welcome Ritvi, Lasya, Deekshita, Shashti, Swara, Nishant, Arya, Ronit and Dhruva on the stage with a big round of applause.
बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले ओ बल्ले ओ बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले ओ बल्ले ओ बल्ले पगड़ी संभाल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए पगड़ी संभाल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए तेरा लुट ना जाए ओ तेरा लुट ना जाए माल जट्टा पगड़ी संभाल होए तोड़ गुलामी की जंजीरें बदल दे तू अपनी तकदीरें पड़ जा ऐसा इनके पल्ले कर दे इनकी पल्ले पल्ले तोड़ गुलामी की जंजीरें बदल दे तू अपनी तकदीरें पड़ जा ऐसा इनके पल्ले कर दे इनकी पल्ले पल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले ओ बल्ले ओ बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले ओ बल्ले ओ बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले बल्ले टड़ो 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 बल्ले ओ बल्ले बल्ले
A very big round of applause to all of them. Such a lovely performance. We all uphold certain moral values in life. Although we belong to different countries, states, regions, represent diverse cultures, religions, fundamentally we believe in many principles of life that are very similar in nature, like brotherhood, kindness, sincerity, honesty, integrity. And if we look back, these values deeply rooted within us were sowed when we were children, which were taught through stories narrated to us by our elders. These values and principles that we uphold in life come from our own great Indian epics like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, and many more. These are not just an epic or a tale, but also an educational medium to demonstrate the importance of values such as loving and respecting our family, keeping our promises, protecting the weak, and so on. Today, our second year child, Ishan Dhanakoti, is going to narrate us one of the great Indian epic. Please welcome Ishan on stage with a very huge round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ishan. I am going to tell about story of Ramayana. On the bank of Sarai river stood the beautiful city of Ayodhya, ruled by the king Dasharatha. He had 3 wives named Kausalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra. He had 4 sons named Rama, Bharata, Lakshmana, and Shatrughna. Once Kaikeyi saved Dasharatha's life. Dasharatha was pleased and told her, ask for a wish whenever she wants. After few days, all 4 sons grew up to be handsome and intelligent men. On Vishwamitra's request, Dasharatha sent Rama, Lakshmana to the forest to kill demons. After killing the demons, all 3 left the forest and headed to Mithila to visit Janaka. Janaka wanted to get his daughter Sita married to one who swings his bow. Rama doesn't know time and get happily married to Sita. Dasharatha decided to crown Rama as the next king. Unhappy Kaikeyi asked Dasharatha a wish, that he is to send Rama to the forest for 14 years and crown Bharata as the next king. Rama, loving his wife Sita, and Lakshmana go to the forest. During this journey, they helped many sages by killing the demons. One day, Rama and Lakshmana were away. The demon king Ravana kidnapped Sita and went across the sea to his kingdom Lanka. Lord Hanuman and King Sugriva helped Rama to build a bridge across the sea to reach Lanka. Rama defeated Ravana in the war and brought back Sita. They all went back to Ayodhya. People welcomed them by lighting the lamps. This was celebrated as Deepavali every year in the honor of Rama's success over the demon king Ravana. Thank you.
Bajirao I was a general of Maratha Empire in India. He served as Peshwa to the 4th Maratha Chhatrapati Shahu. He is credited with expanding the Maratha Empire. In his brief military career spanning 20 years, Bajirao never lost a battle. According to the British Army officer Bernard Montgomery, Bajirao was possibly the finest cavalry general ever produced by India. Our third-year children are going to rock the stage for the song Malhari from the movie Bajirao Mastani. Please welcome Mukesh S, Abhisar Prasad, Drupad, Samanvita, Aditi, Supash, Jairaj, Sahiti and Srinita on stage with a very huge round of applause.
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली अरे बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली धीरे धीरे बड़ी चली है जो थी चिंगारी छोटी चिंगारी बड़ी 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 है मन की अलमारी आज अलमारी हुई सतरंगी साली सतरंगी हुई सतरंगी थी जो ये रात काली धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली
It was indeed a show stealer. A very big round of applause to all of them. Mangal Pandey was an Indian soldier who played a key part in events immediately preceding the outbreak of Indian Rebellion of 1857. He is widely regarded as a hero of modern India. In 1984, the Indian government issued a postage stamp to commemorate him. Today, our first-year children are going to perform a dance for the song Mangal Mangal from the movie Mangal Pandey. Please welcome Anjali Antony, Manya, Nalin, Samarth, Kupam Dhanya, Sai Adya, Jasmita, Harini, Navyashri, Pujit and Mokshit on stage with a very big round of applause.
सबने सुना रे डंका बोले तुम जागो जागो अब तुम नींद में हो क्यों तुम हो जागो रे जागो जागो रे, जागी जागी है धरती सारी और जागा जागा है अंबर, जागी जागी है नदियां सारी और जागा जागा है सागर। जागो मंगल 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 हो, मंगल 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 हो। जागे नगर सारे जागे हैं घर सारे, जागा है अब हर गाँव, जागी है बगिया तो जागे हैं पेड़ और जागी है पेड़ों की छाँव। मंगल 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 हो, और आवे जो गंगा नहाने रात हर घाट से हट जाए, सूर्य किरणों की तलवार ताने और अंधियारा सब कट जाए। कोई तट पे ही धूनी रमावे, कोई दर्शन को झटपट जाए, जो भी आवे मन की पावे, आप सब जन्मों का धुल जाए। लेके करवट उठे फिर बजरिया और धंधा सभी खुल जाए। काला मुंशी पुजारी सिपहिया हल्का भारी हर एक तुल जाए, जोगी लेके फिरे एक तारा और बस अपने मन की गाय। सभी के भाग का द्वारा सभी कुशल मंगल हुई जाए। अल्लाह वो
What a mind-blowing performance. A very big round of applause to all of them. Please welcome our dance choreographer, Mr. Sushin, and his team on stage for a rocking, breathtaking performance. A very big round of applause to them. What a marvelous performance. Thank you, Mr. Sushin and his team. Now I request Mr. Sai Deep to render vote of thanks.
We hope each and every one of you in the audience have enjoyed the journey of Indian history through the marvelous performance of our children. I would take this opportunity to thank all the management members who attended this joyful event in spite of their busy schedule and encourage us in our effort to organize this annual day event. I would also like to thank our teaching and non-teaching staff who organized and helped us in all aspects in the successful event. I also take this opportunity to thank parents, guardians, friends and relatives who attended our annual day function and cheered off the participants for various events. Your presence today is a great source of motivation to our children. Finally, I thank all the children of AIM Montessori who enjoyed taking part in all the events. We hope we shall get our encouragement and active participation in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai Deep. We are a plural people, not merely racially, socially, etc., but also civilizationally. We speak many languages and dialects. We practice many different religions. We write, explore, celebrate the human condition in so many diverse ways. So let all of us value the gift of freedom given to us by our freedom fighters. Our second and third year children today are going to rock the stage for the song Bharat Humko Jaan Se Pyara Hai. Please welcome Ishita, Kanishk, Milana, Ishan, Avni, Nandita, Pranika, Pranavi, Aditi, Abhisar, Drupad, Jairaj, Mukesh, Sahiti, Samanvita and Srinita on stage. This is a rocking finale. A very, very huge round of applause to all of them.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
उजड़े नहीं अपना चमन, डूबे नहीं अपना वतन, बुरा है ना कर दे कोई, बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई। मंदिर यहाँ, मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलते रहे हम प्यार से जाना।
हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
कश्मीर से